All right, so we get to these last two, and there's some blanks you got to fill in there. You got a secant and a tangent of a circle intersect at a 20-degree angle, and intercept arcs that have a 3 to 5 ratio. So we're talking ratios in here. It's not a super complicated problem. I really do not want you to wait for my drawing. The point of this is to kind of give you some practice problems for can you create your own drawing, set up your own equations, and solve this thing. You know, sort of an upper level question because of all the entry into the problem. Good time to pause and try. You can try the second one too if you want to try that one if you think you get the first one. Or maybe you pause, try this one, check out the solution, and then try the last one on your own. Last one's got a lot of steps on it. Hopefully you understand you can draw a tangent. Again, a good time to pause somewhere in here. And you draw a secant. And you know that these two arcs have a 3 to 5 ratio. When I say 3 to 5 ratio, it probably makes sense to just call it a 3x to 5x relationship. And of course the given here was a 20-degree angle between those two. From there, it's a pretty easy problem. But again, the drawing of that is the key part, and the setting up these algebra equations 5x to 3x. So it's pretty simple. Subtract those two arcs, take half of that, and all of a sudden you get something that's very convenient on there. Again, I multiplied both sides by 2 to clear the fraction. You should get x is equal to 20, which would make sense. This is 60, and this is 100. 100 minus 60 gets you back to that. So hopefully those numbers wouldn't make the problem too easy, but that's what we're looking for. Now, reread the question. Good test practice. You get an answer, you think you're done. Oh wait, the question asks for the arcs. So plug the 20 back in. Yeah, this is 100. Yeah, this is 60. I said all arcs, just like I did in the last quiz you took. You also should be able to find this arc. So 60 and 100 means the last one would be 200 degrees. So, a circle is circumscribed about a quadrilateral. Important part of this is the quadrilateral inside or is it on the outside? Well, if a circle is circumscribed about the quadrilateral must be inscribed inside, because the opposite of circumscribed is inscribed. The non-overlapping arcs, in other words, 1, 2, 3, 4 arcs, have a 2 to 2 to 3 to 5 to ratio. So that means I'm going to probably call them 2x, call another one 2x, call another one 3x, call another one 5x. Order doesn't really matter on here too much. Find the measure of each arc and each inscribed angle. That's a lot of answers. That's like 8 answers. Good luck. Have fun with that. So you can easily add these up to 360 and figure out that x is equal to 20. Sorry, x is equal to 30. And that'll allow you to find all the arcs. So 30 times 2 is 60, 30 times 2 is 60, 30 times 3 is 90, 30 times 5 is 150. Those should be pretty simple. You got to step this up a notch now. To find this angle, we've done something like this a couple days ago, maybe a week ago. To find this angle, you'd have to realize that it's the combination of these two arcs that it intercepts. So like the top angle is intercepting a total of 8x. So 8 times x is 240. This is 240. This angle should be half of that. And kind of the same idea with the bottom angle. If this is 60 and this is 60, the whole thing's 120. This inscribed angle should be half of that. If I go to this way, 5x and 2x is 7x, which is 210. If this is 210, this one should be 105. I'm doing these out of order, sorry about that. This is 5x, which means this is 150. Half of 150 is 75. And you kind of work your way around the quadrilateral in that sequence. And the way to check it, what are these supposed to add up to? For any quadrilateral? Oh, 360. Another way to check it, what do you know for sure about opposite angles of a quadrilateral? What's true about 120 and 60 and 75 and 105? Oh, they're supplementary. So this is the next homework assignment. If you're doing this on Thursday, do this tonight. Do this as your homework for Thursday night's homework. That way you can come in with questions when I'm back in school on Friday. If you're doing the discoveries on Thursday, and right now it's Friday when you're listening to me here, you can certainly do this over the weekend. It's completely up to you how you want to approach it. I can check answers. I can collect on Friday and Monday. I don't really care. I won't be there Monday, so either way. But there's a few problems on there. Give it a go. Check your odds in the back. Good luck. Show all calculations so I can give you 100% full credit for doing all your work. Even if it's finding something simple like an average or a division of 2, show what you're doing. Thank you guys. Have a good weekend. Sorry, don't have a good weekend. I'll see you on Friday.